Hello Mushkins, and in this video I will be showing you all of the slimes that we have available in our Easter themed restock, and this is one of our biggest theme restocks that we have ever done. We have so many slimes to show you in this video, and if you would like to see things like pricing and other details, make sure to go and look at our website. I will have a direct link in the description of this video. First up, we have an unscented clear slime called the Easter Candy Stash, and it's inspired by that big bag of candy that you have after an Easter egg hunt. So the slime comes with the cutest little neon glitters and sprinkles and these cute little rainbow Fimo slices, and then you also get 2 randomly chosen candy charms in the slime. Next, we have an icing slime that's called Mystical Egg, and it's inspired by these cute little chocolate marshmallow candy coated eggs that you can buy at Woolies. It's like a purple egg with this dash of gold on it, and I thought it's so pretty and it immediately reminded me of a slime. So this is a light purple icing slime scented like chocolate and marshmallow, and you get a dash of gold pigment on the side that you can mix through. I bought these beautiful shell glitters a while ago, and I was waiting until Easter to try and create a slime with it. So I decided to create this slime, and it's called Easter Pool Party. So it's an unscented clear slime with a dash of this really beautiful shifting shimmer pigment type glitter in the slime, and then you get a little dash of these beautiful shell glitters as well. So it's a weird Easter slime, but I really love it. It is so beautiful. Next, we have this slime called Candy Hearts, and it's an unscented clear slime that comes with these really cute purple fishbowl beads, and they're in a little heart shape, which I thought was just really adorable, and also a dash of this really beautiful glitter as well. So it's just a really pretty, sparkly clear slime. One of our most popular slimes on our website at the moment is our Amethyst slime from our gemstone themed Restock, which is a clear slime with a swirl of purple food coloring and a dash of color shifting pigment on top. So for this Restock, we just had to try and create something similar since all of you really love that other slime so much. And this slime is an unscented clear slime with a swirl of red food coloring as well as a dash of color shifting pigment on top. And this pigment shifts from pearl to purple, so it creates this really beautiful slime once you mix everything together, and it has this beautiful purple shimmering to it. Next we have Golden Egg, and this is probably one of my favorite slimes from this Restock. It's another unscented clear slime, and it has this dash of rose gold pigment on top that you get to mix in when you get the slime, and it turns into this really beautiful color shifting pigmented slime that shifts from gold to like a pinkish color. It is so mesmerizing. And then next we have another unscented clear slime, and this one is called Bunny Hop. It's a clear slime with a sprinkle of these really cute little red mushroom Fimo slices, as well as a little bunny charm, and then you also get 1 to 3 little cute little pom-poms that represents a little bunny tail. I'm so in love with this slime, it's so cute. And then you also get a little sprinkle of colorful clay shavings in this slime that just represents little marshmallow egg pieces and things. It's so cute. Next up, we have this really beautiful swirled slime called Neon Swirly, and it's a swirled icing slime with bright neon yellow and pink, and then once you mix everything together, it turns into this really yummy looking orange icing slime. And this one is also scented like passion fruit, and to me it smells exactly like those cheap granadilla ice pops that you can get at cricket games or at the beach. It just smells really good. Next up, we have this really yummy looking swirled clay slime that's called Marshmallow Egg, and this one is scented like strawberry, chocolate and marshmallow, and it also comes with these adorable little marshmallow egg handmade charms. I know this next slime isn't really an Easter themed slime, but we decided to include it in this restock anyway. This one is called a Grape Slurpee, and it's a really light purple jelly slime topped up with these beautiful pink grape Fimo slices, and it smells exactly like grape Fanta or fizzy grape cool drink. And then here we have another slime that doesn't really fit into our Easter themed restock, but we decided to include it in this restock anyway. We got these really cute little kiwi fruit Fimo slices, so we wanted to create another Slurpee slime inspired by that. So this one is called Kiwi Slurpee, and it's a light green jelly slime topped up with these really beautiful little Fimo slices, and it's scented like a kiwi juice. Next, we have another really delicious looking clay slime, and this one is a swirled slime made up of purple, teal, and pink swirls, and it gets topped with these really cute little cake sprinkles, and it just looks like such a delicious slime, and it's also scented like a yummy vanilla ice cream. This next slime is similar to an existing slime that we have on our website, but this one is scented like marshmallow, and we decided to call this one Marshmallow Freezer because we have a bunch of Freezer slimes on our website and they are quite popular, so we just had to create another one for this Easter themed restock. It is a swirled icing and clay slime, and it gets topped with these cute little pink shavings, and it's scented like marshmallow. It smells so good. Next, we have another clay and icing swirled slime, and this one is called Carrot Cake, and it's scented like caramel and vanilla, and it gets topped with these orange little clay shavings as well as a jumbo carrot Fimo slice. It's one of my favorites from this restock just because it's so perfectly Easter themed, and it smells so good, and when you play with it, it's just so satisfying to mix all the colors together. So this is one of my favorites. Next, we have another icing slime, and this one is called Banana Bread, and it doesn't really fit in with our Easter theme, but we made the most perfect scent blend for this slime, so we just had to include it in this restock. And it is a light brown cookie color icing slime topped with these cute little banana slice Fimo slices, and then you also get a little handmade cashew nut charm on top. And the slime smells so good. It smells exactly like bananas and baked bread, but beware, when you play with this slime you are definitely going to crave some banana bread. Next we have Fluffy Bunny, and this one is probably also another one of my top favorites from this restock. It's this beautiful light pink and dark pink and white and light blue cloud slime, and it's got the sprinkle of these colorful little sprinkles on the side and on the top, and then you also get the cutest little bunny charm with this slime. It is so pretty, and this one is also unscented. This next slime is called Easter Egg Hunt, and it is an unscented cloud slime in shades of purple and white, and it is topped with these really beautiful pastel star-shaped sprinkles as well as pastel foam beads, and it just looks like such a fun little colorful slime. Here we have the last cloud slime, and it is my favorite slime from this restock. It's a colorful unscented rainbow cloud slime, and it is topped with these beautiful little rainbow female slices as well as iridescent white glitters and a little dash of pastel foam beads. It is one of the cutest slimes we have ever made, and it just makes me happy looking at this slime. Next we have a slime called Jelly Candy Surprise, and this one is a little DIY assembly kit. You get a 250ml white icing slime scented like cherry and raspberry, and then you get a 50ml pink clear slime made with these little candy colorful shavings. And this whole kit is inspired by those marshmallow eggs that have a candy little jelly surprise on the inside. And then with this slime you also get a randomly chosen mocky squishy, either a little bunny, a chicken, or a little duck. And then once you mix everything together, you end up with this really beautiful light pink icing slime that has a little spot of color all throughout the slime. If you've been following us for a while now, you'll know that it's sort of become a tradition to have a donut DIY kit for every themed restock that we do. So for Christmas we had a Christmas donut, and then for Valentine's Day we had a Valentine's Day donut. So for Easter it just makes sense to have an Easter donut DIY kit as well. So in this kit you get a 250ml pink and blue icing slime scented like candy floss, and then you get a little handmade shaped donut out of clay. And this donut might change shape during shipping, so just reshape it, and if you're struggling to reshape it, just add a little bit of lotion and then reshape it, since the clay could maybe go hard during shipping. And then you also get a 50ml pink clear slime that has a few glitters in it, and then you can add that to the donut as frosting. And then you also get a baggie of pastel foam beads and star-shaped sprinkles that you can use as a topping for your donut. And then once you mix everything together, you end up with this really smooth, thick and stretchy icing slash clay slime. So I like to see this as a little hybrid between the two slime textures, but it has the best characteristics of a clay slime and the best characteristics of an icing slime. And then lastly, to end off this Easter themed restock video, we also have this Pastel Swirling Kit available on our website. In this kit you get 6 little slimes, and they're all in pastel colors, all scented differently as well. And you also get a little baggie of pastel foam beads, and the whole point of this kit is to try and make beautiful little swirls, so you can swirl the pink and the yellow one together and make a completely different slime. So it's just testing your creativity, or you can just keep them all separately and give them out to friends or family, or include it in your Easter hunt. You can basically do anything with this kit. So in this kit you get 6 50ml pastel colored clay slimes, and each one is scented differently. The one is scented like mint chocolate chip, the other one is scented like candy floss, and the other one is scented like marshmallow. So it's a massive sensory experience all in one box. And for more details, just go and have a look at our website underneath this product description, and you'll be able to see all the fragrances that are included in the slimes in this kit. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that you enjoyed seeing all of these new Easter themed slimes that we came up with. Make sure to use code Easter for 15% off your entire order. If you are planning on ordering, this code will be valid until the end of next month. So this code is valid for a really long time. Make sure to use